This video demonstrates how to download and install the RBT for EMAP application. Other videos will actually demonstrate how to configure and run it, but this one is the download and install. So before I actually download and install it, I'm just going to check my system requirements here to make sure that my computer meets the specifications for the RBT. The first one is that I need to be running Windows XP or newer, so I'm running Windows 7 here, so that I've met that criteria. The second one is to be running the Microsoft.NET Framework 4, and in my add remove programs here you can see that I have the Microsoft.NET Framework 4 client profile installed. If you're running Windows 7, this actually comes pre-installed, but if you're running a previous version, either XP or Vista, you'll need to download and install that. Make sure you're running Framework 4 or newer. And the final one is to make sure that you're running Esri's ArcGIS 10 with Service Pack 4. So check these requirements. By the time you watch this video, we may be up to Service Pack 5, but it's important that we're not running this tool yet on ArcGIS 10.1. Follow these settings here, as I say, rather than this video. Check back here. So I'll just show you that I've brought up the Esri ArcGIS Administrator. So I am running ArcInfo. It's available to me. I have Spatial Analyst, 3D Analyst available, and I've already service packed up to 4. So now I can go and download the RBT for EMAP. So come to the download page on the website here and click on the download. This takes a couple of minutes. It's quite a small package. I'm actually going to put this in my temp folder. And put the WinZip file there. Package is between 3 or 5 megabytes. So it's pretty small. Now once you've got it down, native to Windows, you can actually right click on it and extract it to the same location. I'm using 7-zip here, but Windows has this ability built in. You can just go extract here, and all of the RBT files get extracted out onto the hard drive. And you can put these files anywhere on your computer. I recommend putting them at a high level on the operating system drive, so either C /RBT or C / program files /RBT. But you do need to put all these files in one folder. The most important thing here is the RBT.exe file is the actual application itself, and then this configuration file comes with the RBT, the rbt.config.xml. There's more about this configuration file on the RBT's website. So that's basically it. There is no installation or registration per se. The files just need to be in the same folder, and you need to have ArcGIS available on your machine. I'll just prove that it's down and working okay by opening a DOS prompt. So I'm going to hit the Windows key here and type CMD to bring up a DOS prompt. Just make this a bit smaller. And I need to browse to the folder where the RBT is installed. So I'll show you a little trick here. If you type CD for change directory and then space, and then drag the little icon folder from Windows into the DOS prompt, it will actually put the path there for you. Hit enter. DIR will show you a listing of all the files. There's the RBT there. And if I just type the word RBT, it will run and it will warn me that I haven't specified an RBT input file. But that shows you that the RBT actually is present and working okay, because the software got to the point where it's trying to load the input file. So that's a quick summary of how to download and install the RBT. In essence, there is no installation. You just need to download and put the files on your computer.